How are computers helpful in education? So this is going to be my next question. How are computers helpful in education? Okay, so let's go on to the answers. We can actually mention there are so many ways in which computers are being so helpful in the field of education. So let's move on to the answer. We can just mention a few because this is part 3. You need to be really explanatory and you have to be very clear and detailed in part 2, but not in part 3. Computers are a blessing to the field of education. Why is it so? I need to justify, right? So we can provide animated learning software to children. So that's the most preferred way of learning. Children do love to learn. It's a play way of learning. So they love to learn through animations. To children. Why is it so? Why do they love animated way of, or why do they like animated way of education? So that they can easily visualize academic concepts. Distance learning can be best supported by the use of computers. So yeah, computers are a blessing to the field of education. We can provide animated learning software to children because that is how they are easily able to visualize and they are able to understand the concepts in a better way, in an easy way. And apart from helping the children, this also helps in distance learning. So you don't regularly, you cannot go to college for people who are learning apart from working. So when they stay at home and learn, so how do they get their resources? What is the mode of communication between the university and them? So how are they going to equip themselves? So that is where computer comes into picture. So this is how I would like to justify my particular answer of how computers have been so helpful in the field of education.